Hey guys, Kevin Moses here, your certified strength and conditioning specialist. We're going to do the quads, okay, right in front, 4 big muscles, okay? So you can start off with 2, both of them, kind of rolling all the way on those. If those are kind of, not too bad, not too painful, you may go to 1 leg, put a lot of pressure on there. And now you can kind of go on the outside, go on the inside, really focus on that whole quadricep. Definitely a good myofascial release exercise. Those quads can get kind of tight. Like right now, that's pretty sensitive. That's pretty sensitive. So I'm using my forearm as pressure to kind of hold me up in a plank position. If this is hard for you, maybe, get a little lacrosse ball and then just we'll sit down like that and put some pressure laying on that lacrosse ball. Great quadricep release. Do both sides individually. That's my recommendation. Drink lots of water after. Help heal, flush out those toxins, and you'll be on your way to feeling a lot better. Guarantee that. Bye-bye.